Good morning, everyone. It's Isaac here with Country Life Natural Foods, and we are going to do our raffle for the prize giveaway. So let me share my screen here. And what we're going to do, hopefully you guys can see the screen, like we mentioned, every 3 weeks, every 3 weeks. So we're going to have one more raffle in about 3 more weeks. And then at the final, at the end, we're going to have a last raffle as well. So I decided this time what we'll do is um, we will do two tumblers and two mugs. So that is what the raffles will be for. For participation, I've been kind of keeping track on who has been um, sharing the various photos that are the accountability in the group. And so far, um, we have 4 people who have shared various photos to show that they are participating in the challenge. And so I want to thank you guys very much. Your names have all been added to our wheel here. And so what we'll do is we'll do two first for the tumblers and then two for the mugs. So let's see who are the first two winners of the tumbler. So let's see here. And it looks like Karen is our winner for the tumbler. So congratulations, Karen. You have won a Country Life Natural Foods tumbler, which I will show it here. Very nice. And it fits well because right now one of the challenges that we're doing is water. So I hope that this tumbler, what we'll do is we'll send you an email with a coupon code that you can go ahead and oh look, the last two tumblers are in stock are going to the last two participants. So I'll have to make sure to take these out of stock soon so that no one else claims these. But yeah, so this one goes to Karen, and let's find out who the next winner of the tumbler is. So let's remove Karen from the list, and let's see. So that was, let me go back here. So first, um, the second winner, Lori. Congratulations, Lori. We will send you again the email and a coupon for the tumbler. So that was Lori. We'll go ahead and mark it back here. Okay, so now the next two are for the mug, which I'll bring that up here so we can all see what the next prize will be. And I'll go ahead and start spinning so that we can see who will be the winner of the prize. Here is the Country Life mug. Very nice, very good to hold hot teas and all your favorite um, warm beverages. So let's see who the first winner is. Christina is the winner of a mug. And we obviously know Alexis is the last winner of the mug. So congratulations, Alexis. Congratulations, Christina. Christina, mug, Alexis. I put that on. No, Alexis. Okay. Well, congratulations, everyone. Thank you so much for participating in our 8-week health challenge. Again, we will email you those codes so that you can get those sent out to you. And yeah, if you guys have not yet joined, there's still 5 weeks left of the 8-week health challenge. This coming Monday will be the beginning of our 4th week, which if we are covering, we've already covered nutrition, we've covered exercise, we've covered water. So this Monday, we are going to cover sunlight and see how important sunlight is for our health. And we'll see what type of activities we are going to be challenged with. in this next one. So thank you again for participating, and we'll see you on the next one.